Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of Swan-love facial brush. Totally 2 gears for choose. In order to show the effect directly, now test it on hand. Press for 2 seconds to turn on. Turn on the first gear. Moderate rotation speed, soft brush for more comfortable use. Press again to turn on second gear. The brush fits the skin, more comfortable to use. Press again to turn off. Replace the brush head demonstration. Grip the fuselage, hold the top of brush head, and slowly outward. Apart fuselage with the brush head, then can install the brush head. Charging demonstration. After use, clean the brush head with water and install it after drying. Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of Swan-love facial brush.